How to delete TikTok Shop seller account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to delete or remove your TikTok Shop seller account from your TikTok account. So first things first, go to our settings over here on the bottom right. And after that, you could select account information over here at the top. Now, on some accounts, on some devices, there would be an extra option over here that has the option request deletion. But in our case, as you can see, it's not really available. But in some cases, it would appear over here. Now, as an alternative, what we could do is we could unlink our TikTok seller account from our TikTok account so that it would no longer appear on our TikTok account. And to do that, simply go over here below at the center and click on link TikTok accounts. Click on official account or any accounts options that are currently connected on your TikTok shop. And what you're going to do is you're going to unlink the official account or unlink the account connected. By doing this, your account that you're using in TikTok will no longer be affiliated, and your TikTok shop seller over here would not have any TikTok account to be connected to. So it's gonna act like it's no longer existing since it has no platform to connect to. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.